Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. Today we will be talking about how to build a Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel. The first thing that we are going to do is we have to take an Excel sheet and we have to enter the tasks in one column. In another column we have to put in start date and end dates. For this project, we have taken first task at project kickoff after the database preparation, UI development, testing, implementation, customer acceptance, and maintenance. All the tasks start date and end date are put. So for creating a Gantt chart, we will have to calculate the duration. So we will be creating a duration column. Now duration will be end date minus of start date. We will be doing it for all the rows here. Now after this, for creating a Gantt chart, select start date column, click on insert. In insert there is a recommended chart option, click on recommended charts. In this click on all charts. Because Gantt chart is a bar chart, so we are going to take bar chart, and in the bar chart we are going to take staked bar chart. Click on OK. Now our chart have appeared on the Excel sheet. Next we are going to add the duration column in it. So we will be clicking right click on this. Click on select data. Now in the left side you can see the add button. Click on add. Now you can put a series name here. I am putting as duration. For series value we will be selecting the duration of each row. Now you can see there is a problem here. Then in the left side this numbering is coming where this would be the task. So we have to change it from here, that is access labels. Click on edit and now choose the access labels. Click on OK. As you click OK, you can see in left hand side these tasks have appeared, and now in the orange color the duration has come. Now we just double click on this chart, so there will be in the right side there will be another tab will be opening. Now you have to choose these blue colors, that is the start date. Click on no fill, and in the borders click on no borders. You can click outside. You can see the chart have transformed to something like of a bar chart. However, there is a problem that the project kickoff, that is should be the first activity, that is coming at the bottom. However, it should come at the top. So what we will be doing is clicking on this task, right click, then format access. In the format access, again this right side tab has changed. Now we will be clicking it on categories in reverse order. So you can see the chart has reversed. But right now there is a problem that the date is coming from 28 April to 2nd June. So how will we going to change it? We will be taking a start date here and one end date. The start date is the first date when the project is started, and in end date we will be taking the last date. Now we will have to format it in numbers or in journal. So select it, click on right click on it, and then format cells, click on journal and OK. So now you have got two numbers here. Now in the date column you have to select these upper bound, minimum bound and maximum bound. You can select the upper bound as the start one, like here we have 45788, and in the maximum value you can choose 45808. Click on enter. So you can see that now this chart has become a Gantt chart, proper Gantt chart, where the task is getting started from 11th May to and it is finishing at 31st May. So this way you can create a Gantt chart. So thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and comment. Next time we'll be coming up with another lecture on some another management concept. Thank you.